So your client asks you to design a durable water bottle. The term durable is a little bit vague. What does the term durable mean to you? And how would you design a durable water bottle? Pause the video now. Take a few seconds to jot down how you define the term durable. The goal of this video is to transform our qualitative design objectives into quantitative design criteria. At this point, your team should have completed the Clarify Team Assignment step. In this step, your team should have interviewed the client and potential users. Your team should also have completed the Understanding, Problem, and Context step. Here, your team completed a deep dive into existing solutions, appropriate background, features that govern the problem, and the business perspective. From these two steps, the team should have defined its objectives, constraints, functions, and means. Now, we are in the Define Design Criteria box. In this step, you need to establish the project's design criteria by refining the objectives and constraints. When speaking with the client or potential users, they may have given you specific numerical targets, or they may have given you vague desires or features. This video describes the process of converting qualitative objectives into quantitative design criteria. This same process can be applied to constraints. Design criteria are used to quantitatively describe the established objectives. Having these quantitative design criteria are very important because it allows you to measure whether your design is meeting its target goals. So, design criteria are different from objectives in a number of important ways. So, objectives typically describe some attribute of the design, whereas a design criteria quantifies that in a much more specific, precise way. Objectives tend to be vague without a number associated with them, whereas design criteria are quantitative and have a number and likely a unit associated with them. Finally, objectives, it can be ambiguous how they can be measured, whereas a design criteria, it should be clear how this can be measured. So when you think about the term durability, you could define that for a water bottle in many ways. It could be that you could use the water bottle for some number of times under regular use. Or you could define durability as that it would fail under particular conditions. Or you could define durability just to be more durable than the products that are on the market. We can take some of the earlier ideas we had before regarding durability and put together quantitative design criteria. So for example, with regard to durability, we can say that the water bottle will last greater than or equal to 3 years. We could say that you can open or close a water bottle greater than or equal to 1 million times. Or you could say that you could drop a water bottle onto a cement floor from a height of less than or equal to 10 feet. In summary, design criteria establish measurable quantitative targets for your design project.